Affordable dumpster rental in Stanton, Texas. Renovating your business can generate a lot of waste, from old furniture to construction debris. Wildcat Site Services LLC provides affordable dumpster rental in Stanton, Texas, tailored for your renovation needs. Whether you're upgrading your office space or revamping your store, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters are the perfect solution for handling all that excess material. We offer reliable, flexible service to ensure your cleanup goes smoothly. With Wildcat Site Services LLC, your renovation waste disposal is in good hands. From demolition debris to outdated office furniture, we make waste removal easy. Our prompt, efficient service keeps your project on schedule. Wildcat Site Services LLC's dumpsters come in various sizes, so you can choose one that fits your project. We'll deliver it to your location and pick it up when you're done. When you need a dumpster for your business renovation, call 432-577-2909, and our friendly team will help you find the best solution. Let us take care of the waste so you can focus on transforming your business. Choose Wildcat Site Services LLC, your trusted partner for affordable dumpster rental in Stanton, Texas.